So cord broke on the power adapter. Went through and soldered it. Got it back together like brand new. And when I got it together, it wasn't working, and I noticed that the fuse was blowed. So since I already had the solder out, just took a little piece of copper wire and soldered to the edge and made my own fuse. And we're gonna see how it works. So the power cord is tested and working, but when I checked it, I noticed that this part is loose where it plugs in. So I'm gonna solder that too, and it should be good from there. That solder joint's way heavy duty, way stronger. Like always, we're gonna test it with our 3S slapper. Let's see what we got. It's good to go. It's fixed.